This unit's one of our special stackers. It's rated at 1,200 kg, so it's designed to work in zone 1 environments. It's got power lift, and you plug an air line into the side of the unit. This particular one, you plug it in the left hand of the box, but you can also plug it into the right as well. And the main features of this, you can see it has stainless clad forks, power lift as I've said, but it also has a manual lift system as well. So the manual lift system is really just to take the weight of something off the floor so you can wheel it around. It'd take a lot of pumps of the handle to raise it a long way, and that's why we really want to use the pneumatic hydraulic lift. So let's start off by plugging this air line into the side of the unit. You can hear the pump running sometimes, you'll just hear the pump cycling, that's quite normal. So the forks, we can move the forks in and out to line up with the pallet. We have 2 park brakes on the back of the unit, and it's rear wheel steering, so we can steer the unit. So if we push it into the pallet, keep the forks nice and wide on the pallet. You don't want the forks very narrow with a heavy pallet, keep them nice and wide. Put your park brakes on. This is the lever to lift the forks, so we pull the lever. It's normal for the pump to run on like that. There's a hydraulic accumulator in the back of the box that it'll charge up. Then if we move on here, this is the manual system. This handle can be stowed in these brackets on the side. So if we pump the handle, you can see forks going up. Now to lower, we can use manually, we can use this lowering valve here. So we turn the lowering valve, forks go down. If we let it go, it'll stop. Or we can use the main control, and we can push the lever forward to lower. Release the brakes. Use a tiller here to pull out. This particular stacker model, its prime use for this customer is lifting vessels. So big round vessels. The forks are going to go underneath the vessel and pick up the vessel, but the customer doesn't want the vessel to slide on the forks. So this particular one has got a securing chain. This operates from this side. We wrap it right round the vessel and onto the hook on the other side. So take it off the stowage position. Take it all the way round the vessel. And then pull the slack out, and there's a hook here, and we can literally hook the chain on the hook, and that will keep the vessel nice and secure in that position. When we finished, unhook, wrap the chain around the stowage, and just hook the last link onto the eye. The forks are adjustable, so to adjust the forks, simply just push on the top and bottom and just slide the forks both sides. Keep them nice and equal. You want each fork to be equally spaced across the carriage, but it is very important that you keep the forks out as wide as possible, wide out underneath the vessel, wide out on a pallet. We're now looking at the control panel. The first thing to notice is the E-stop. If we press down on the E-stop, all function will stop. To reset this, we turn till it pops back up and it's ready to go again. So we have lift, we pull back to lift, we push forward to lower, and this is the manual hydraulic side. If we pump the handle, the carriage goes up. We can take this R pin out and stow the handle on the side of the unit here, and this is the lowering valve. So if we turn the lowering valve, the forks go down, and if we let go, we stop.